Hello and welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. My name is Autumn and today I'm finally filming an updated Create an Instagram Reel with Me video. Oh my gosh, this is so long overdue, but today's the day. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. The first thing I'm going to do is open up my Instagram app, click on my profile on the bottom right-hand corner, click the plus icon at the top, and choose Reel. Now I'm going to create a reel where I'm talking to the camera, just a basic talking head type video, as they say. So I'm going to click Camera, and here I am. So here, to record the video, I'm just going to press that white circle on the bottom. I can scroll through and choose a filter if I would like. There are a lot of fun things that you can play with, but for our purposes today, we're going basic. So let's press the button and record a clip. Hello everyone, and welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. Now I press the same button to stop the video. Now let's record the second clip. In today's tutorial, we are going to create an Instagram Reel. Again, stop the clip, and let's do one more. If you'd like to see, I don't like that clip because I didn't actually have in mind what I was going to say. So that'll be a good learning experience for this video. If you'd like to learn more, please check out my YouTube channel. Bye! And I don't know if you noticed, but I gave it a little second after bye. Pause for a second, just to give yourself enough space to trim the end so you're not like, bye, pressing the buttons. Then that becomes part of your video and it's a whole thing. Okay, so I'm going to click Next. Hello everyone and welcome. And I'm going to click Edit Video. And let's go through these clips. So I'm going to highlight the first one just by clicking on it, and you'll see the slide bars on the left and right. So I'm going to touch and hold and drag that clip to right where I want it. Let's see how that looks. Hello everyone and welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. Pause. So now I want to clip off the little end piece there, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to touch, hold, and drag. So let's see how that looks. Hello everyone and welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. All right, let's move on to our second clip. I'm going to click on it, and again, the same thing. I'm just going to drag it until I see myself start to talk, and same with the end. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, let's see how that looks all together. Hello everyone and welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we are going to create an Instagram Reel. If you'd like to see. Okay, so that was the clip that we needed to get rid of. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to move the bottom bar down to the very end and click Discard. And discard, and it's gone. So let's do the same thing with the last clip. Just trim the front and back. Bye. Okay, now let's look at this. Hello everyone, and welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we are going to create an Instagram Reel. If you'd like to learn more, please check out my YouTube channel. Bye! Hello everyone! Okay, so there's that. Now, if you work in an industry like real estate, mortgage, or anything that requires legal disclaimers, this is where you want to add your legal disclaimer image at the very end. So, I will click on the bottom, Add Clips, and then I'll click on the bottom left, the little rounded square, and that'll take me to my camera roll. And here I have just a pretend disclaimer image. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click Next. Now you can add a transition between your clips. So I want to transition from my talking head portion to my disclaimer. So I'm going to click the little white with the black line through it button. And there are several options. but the last one is my favorite.
Bye.
So I'm going to use that.
Bye.
Done. And now I want to add, actually right here, when I say,
Please check out my YouTube.
please check out my YouTube channel, I'm going to add like a little YouTube sticker there. So I'm going to click on my face to bring us back to full screen. And on the top, you'll see looks like a little piece of paper with a smiley face. That is for stickers. So I'm going to type in YouTube and let's see. I'm just going to choose this first one. YouTube. With one finger, you can move it around. If you touch it with two fingers, you can go in and out, pinch in and out. You can change the orientation of it. So I'm going to do that. And then I only want that to pop up where I say YouTube. So you can see our sticker is the whole length of the video. So I'm going to highlight it. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did with the clips and just drag that down. And I don't want it to be in this disclaimer either, so I'm going to drag it to there.
If you'd like to learn more, please check out my YouTube.
Just a little bit later.
If you'd like to learn more, please check out my YouTube channel. Bye.
And there we go. So that's good for that. Now I want to add music. Adding Instagram's audios really helps discoverability of your reel, especially if it's a trending or really popular audio at the moment. So I'm here, I'm going to click on the music note and I'm going to focus on the audios that have a little upward facing arrow and pick one of those. That doesn't really fit. Nope. Let's see, what's this? Let's go with that. So I'm going to click on that and click done. But now you can hear the audio, but you can't hear me. So I'm going to click on the music note again, controls. I'm going to put my camera audio, which is my voice, all the way up. And I'm going to put the Instagram audio down to about a 3. It won't sound super loud when you listen back in the editor, but when it's uploaded and you see it in your feed and you watch the actual video after it's been published, you'll be able to hear it. Done. Slide that down. Let's see. Whoop.
And welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we are going to create an Instagram reel. If you'd like to learn more, please check out my YouTube channel. Bye.
I think that's great. That's great. It's very basic. All right, so to make this accessible to anybody who watches it, I definitely want to add captions. So I'm going to click on the sticker icon again and click captions. And Instagram will automatically transcribe your captions. You can also click on the caption and go in and edit it. But there are a lot of different types of captions here that you can just kind of play around with and find your style of captions. I'm going to stick with this one, and I can also change the background color. So I can click the color wheel on the top. I can change the color. I can also click the dropper and just go around what's on my screen and pick something. But for this, I'm just going to click on the purple, and then I can click the icon with the A and the stars, and I can invert that. So that's what I'm going to do. And again, I can make this bigger, same as I did with the sticker, and put it wherever I want. Be mindful though that when you do move it around, you see the yellow lines on the left and right. You won't be able to see what's beyond those lines. So keep it in those lines, and then on the bottom there's a line, and on the top there's a line. And those, anything under or over that will be blocked by text or other, your profile picture, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna keep it right there in a safe spot. And let's see, I want to preview this, so I'm going to click preview.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we are going to create an Instagram reel. If you'd like to learn more, please check out my YouTube channel. Bye.
I think that's great. I'm going to click the back arrow because I don't want to publish it yet. I want to edit cover because this is how it's going to show up on both your Reels feed and your profile grid. So you can just drag and drop. You can also add from camera roll if you're getting fancy and you make something in Canva or whatever. You can upload it there and make that your profile picture. So I'm just going to click there because I look decent and it says Creator Hub Tutorials. Ideally, I would upload something that says what the video is about, or, you know, give somebody any sort of indication, but this is fine for now. I'm going to click Profile Grid, and this is how it's going to show up on my grid, the little square. So I'm just going to, you know, adjust it. You can make it bigger, smaller. Right there, that's fine. And then you always want to add a good SEO heavy caption. SEO is search engine optimization. You want people to be able to find your video. You want the right people to see your video, people who will genuinely want to interact with it, find the information useful, and then subsequently follow you, subscribe, whatever. So I came up with, welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. My name is Seavey Hicks, and I create videos for budding content creators who want easy to follow, straightforward tutorials to help get them started. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if there's a, on my Lanta tutorial that would be helpful for you, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. And now I can use hashtags that would be helpful. Let's see, hashtag content, so that I want to see what comes out. Content, yes. Content creator, creator hub tutorials. I could certainly put more. I could put Instagram Reel, but this is good for now. I'm going to click OK, and there we have it. Share. And now it's in the world.
Creator Hub Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we are going to create an Instagram Reel. If you'd like to learn more, please check out my YouTube channel. Bye!
Love it. Also, I will say something helpful that you should do to further get your video out there is to add it to your stories. So you'll click the little paper airplane icon and add to story.
And welcome to Creator Hub Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we are going to...
I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click that notification bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!